Hello guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today we are up with a new video and this new video is all about how Germany is actually shaping the future to a sustainable travel. Yes guys, this is gonna be super duper interesting video, very knowledgeable video if you are planning to shift to Germany, if you are planning to live in Germany, if you are planning to settle in Germany. This is gonna be super duper interesting and a helpful video for you. If you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online offline classes, we provide teacher training program, exam preparation, whatever you can think around German, German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So whatever you can think around German, German Gyan is a one-stop solution for all your situations, all your queries, all your problems. Like German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So what are you waiting for? Let's start the video and we'll catch you at the end. Let's go.
How Germany is shaping the future of sustainable travel. National Strategy for Sustainable Tourism. Germany's National Tourism Strategy, launched in 2024, aims for climate neutrality by 2045. It focuses on enhancing digitalization, improving workforce development, and promoting equitable growth across all regions, including rural areas. This comprehensive approach ensures that tourism contributes positively to the environment. Sustainable rail travel. Germany is expanding its rail network to offer more sustainable travel options. Eurostar plans to introduce direct train services from London to Frankfurt and Geneva by the early 2030s, aiming to provide a greener alternative to air travel. This expansion reflects a growing demand for eco-friendly transportation among travelers and businesses alike. Eco-friendly destinations. Germany boasts several eco-conscious destinations. Jewish Island, a car-free island where transportation is limited to bicycles and horse-drawn carriages, preserving its natural beauty. Second, Feldheim Village, a community that has achieved energy self-sufficiency through wind and solar power, offering tours to educate visitors on sustainable energy practices. Third, hiking the Black Forest. This iconic region boasts some of the best hiking trails in Europe, featuring well-marked paths that encourage exploration while promoting responsible travel. Fourth, cycling along the Danube. Embrace an eco-friendly adventure by cycling along one of the Europe's most beautiful river, where you can enjoy breathtaking views and engage with local cultures. Birdwatching in the Wadensee. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a haven for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts. Participate in guided tours that focuses on conservation efforts to protect this unique habitat. Accessible and inclusive travel. Germany is committed to accessible tourism through the Tourism for All initiative. This program provides information on barrier-free accommodations and attractions, ensuring that travelers with disabilities can enjoy their visits without hindrance. Innovations like virtual and augmented reality are also being used to enhance accessibility. Urban sustainability initiatives. Cities like Berlin are leading in urban sustainability. Urban gardens. Spaces like Allmende Contour on the former Tempelhof Airport grounds serve as community gardens, promoting local food production and environmental education. Sustainable Tourism Plan. Berlin has developed a comprehensive plan to promote sustainable tourism, focusing on green certification and eco-friendly activities. Cultural and heritage preservation. Germany's tourism campaign emphasizes cultural sustainability. So, the Cultural Land Germany campaign showcases the country's rich cultural heritage, including UNESCO World Heritage Sites and contemporary art scenes, encouraging longer stays and deeper engagement with local cultures. Nature as a catalyst for sustainable practices. The integration of nature into sustainable tourism is vital for both ecological preservation and economic development. Local initiatives are making waves in environmentally friendly travel, ensuring that tourism benefits both visitors and the communities involved. For instance, many accommodations now source their energy from renewable sources and emphasize recycling and water conservation. Travelers are encouraged to opt for eco lodges that celebrate local flora and fauna. These lodges often prioritize organic farming and offer cooking classes that use seasonal ingredients, providing guests with an authentic taste of the region while supporting local agriculture. Consider eco friendly ride sharing options. If public transport or cycling isn't feasible, eco friendly ride sharing options are gaining traction in urban areas. These services often feature electric or hybrid vehicles, reducing the carbon footprint of your journey. Using platforms like BlaBlaCar allows you to share rides with fellow travelers, promoting not only sustainability but also local connections. The future of sustainable tourism in Germany. Germany's commitment to sustainable tourism is a testament to its dedication to preserving its natural and cultural heritage for future generations. As the world grapples with the challenges of climate change and over tourism, Germany's approach offers valuable lessons for other countries. Looking ahead, Germany plans to expand its sustainable tourism initiatives by promoting off season travel, which is encouraging visitors to explore destinations during less crowded times to reduce pressure on popular sites. Second, enhancing green infrastructure means investing in renewable energy, electric vehicle charging stations, and eco friendly accommodations. And third, educating travelers means raising awareness about sustainable tourism practice through campaign and promotions.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned a lot of things. We'll catch you in the next one. Children, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.